Welcome back to Universe Sandbox 2. I'm Tygus, this is my parent.
Hey guys!
So, last time we found that we thought Roche was the limit, but Roche is never the limit. Milky Way. Our solar system, very lonely out here in the galaxy. And there's a few more features that have been added since we last played. It's even easier to make supernovas now. But
How do we do that?
well, we can just explode our star with the explode button.
Ooh.
We can also change rotations, increase eccentricity, expand and shrink our system. But before we do that, someone asked us to replace the sun with a black hole.
That's my favorite.
So let's start with just a tiny black hole. Like, look how a sun mass black hole. Look how small it is.
So tiny.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Well,
Is everything escaping?
Venus, Mercury, Earth, and Mars are gone.
That is not what I was expecting to happen.
Everything got violently ejected out of the solar system with the sun taking off.
Interesting.
So let's reset that. Can I reset it? Because I actually do not know if there's a way to. Oh, here we go. Solar system. All right. That was one solar mass black hole. Let's try
1 million sun.
1 million million. No, is that 1 million? It's exactly 1 million suns. All right. Ceres almost.
Everything is either being sucked into it or flinging violently away.
The old Neptune is actually just chilling. Saturn got ejected. Mercury got ejected. Something weird happened to Venus.
It looks way bigger than it should be.
Venus is the mass of 12 moons.
It's falling apart.
Oh yeah, it's falling apart.
Why?
Because it's moving at 9,000 kilometers per second.
Oh.
Venus did not have a good time. So yeah, when you put a small mass black hole, it tends things if things don't have the ability to, or if you don't have the right balance for things to orbit it, they will get ejected. Oh, Neptune is going bye-bye. Yeah. Like the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, it's lowering other black holes towards it, but it's ejecting stars away from it, so it's reinvigorating the galaxy.
That's weird.
But black holes don't suck. Yeah, black holes suck if you're near them, but black holes don't actually suck. They behave just like any other stellar object. Nothing gets sucked into them. It just gets drawn in by its gravity. But you can orbit a black hole with all the same conditions as we have today. If you have a black hole with the same mass as our sun, things will orbit it normally.
We'll freeze to death, but we could orbit it.
Yeah, there's that. So if I delete hang on, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna delete the sun.
Gasp.
And I'm gonna put in a black hole. Except instead of it potentially causing the sun to fly away and take everything with it, the black hole decided to take off.
And go where? Interesting. Why is it being so explodey?
I think our black hole is doing some weird physics.
Interesting.
Yeah, things went really weird there. I'm pretty sure we have time dilation now. Let's try that again. We will do... Can we do a smaller black hole at all?
Not really.
Oh, no, we can. So black hole mass 1 sun. I'm going to drop it down to 0.5 suns. 524 Jupiters. And it's just taking off. Maybe I... Oh, you know what?
What?
I'm wondering if I accidentally put it in here with some like it might have had some velocity when I put in the solar system.
Can we make a velocity-less one?
Yeah. Okay, we'll leave it at 1 sun. Here we go. Velocity. I will change that from 35 kilometers a second to 0. It's at... There we go. We now have a sun mass black hole in the center of our solar system, and nothing bad is happening. So things will keep orbiting it. There's just no...
Interesting.
There's just no...
We're spinning so fast.
Surface temperature -9 Celsius. We are freezing. And I have no idea what's lighting us because we have no sun. And look how small this thing is.
So teeny.
Like a neutron star would be very tiny as
I was
well.
almost like, why is Earth getting colder? But we literally have nothing heating it. Well, except our insides, but that'll run out.
Well, our core does not produce enough heat for the surface to warm itself, unless we had a really thick atmosphere. For example, we have a couple moons in our solar system which may have a water ocean, and one of them is Europa. May have a water ocean under its ice. Is it Europa?
I think so.
All right, let's add a star. Let's add the sun again. The sun and the black hole are now orbiting each other.
Kind of.
And the solar system is about to go into chaos. Did you see Mercury? Mercury
That's cool.
Mercury dodged a serious bullet there. Will Venus has lucky? Mercury was not that lucky.
Mercury bashed into the sun. I like their complementary orbit. It looks really cool.
Mars is next. And meanwhile, everyone on Earth is like, what is happening to our solar system? Mars doesn't even care. Honey Badger don't care.
So weird. It just has like a little whoop, whoop, whoop.
Yeah, they're drawing each other, aren't they? Let's see. I want a bigger star. Let's try Regulus.
Okay. Whoops.
We call it a supernova.
So pretty.
That was a minor mistake. So, for some funny size comparison, now I need to change this to... Oh, that's why I have to do still versus orbit. View, and I will change it to... Actually, sorry, chart.
Looks so cool up close. I feel like that would be a good meditation. Just sit there and watch it.
Just watch this thing.
No, the sun up close. It's all like...
Well, this one is UI Scooty.
Scooty!
Here we go. Look at how small everything is compared to...
There's so many.
Also, our sun is inside UI Scooty. That's how big UI Scooty is. That is how big our sun is next to that star.
Huh.
Yep. UI Security is the actually it is not the largest known star. That distinction now goes to. Oh no, it is UI Security. Sorry, I was thinking of UI Canis Majoris, which is smaller than UI Security. And then we have like supermassive stars like Edicarinae.
Yeah.
So let me switch back to like a regular. So there's Edicarinae, which is still quite a bit larger than our sun. Let's try and zoom in here. So there's our sun.
Mm-hmm.
That's freaking Edicarinae. And UI Scudi is so far away and it still looks huge. Look at that.
Like, oh, it just tinily labels supernova.
Like we're orbiting a freaking our star is orbiting a star. What I wonder what you could call a stellar moon like that. A sun moon.
Oh, that just reminds me of Moon.
Moon?
Yeah, the not smart husky wolf person.
Oh right.
Wolf, yes.
And then there's and then Little Earth. It's insane. Willow is hanging out over here.
She should come watch.
Alright, let's see what we can do. We have Earth and many moons 4 times.
Woo! Look at it.
I was gonna say how long before we get destroyed.
Oh, destruction. Oh god. Well, it was good while it lasted.
Although look, we have new land masses. All new land masses, and we're
It's not good. It's like fireworks. Except with destruction of all life.
You want fireworks? Hang on. Power. Fireworks. It's lagging.
Ooh.
It is like really lagging.
Here's a purple and a red one.
No, that's actually a moon.
Oh.
Or is that... Oh, it might have created fireworks. So Earth did not have a good time with this one.
Not so much, no. Pretty sure there is no life on that planet anymore.
Not right now, but there will be one day. We have a whole new land masses. Check that out. We always do just like random stuff in here when we play.
What else is there to do?
Well, we can be scientific, but half the fun is just fooling around. And now, so something else they changed, which is really cool, is Saturn will actually merge with Jupiter instead of violently exploding. Did I just create a Saturn moon? Oh, here we go. No, I just used the Roche limit on Saturn. Here we go. That needs to be slower.
So pretty.
Closer. So let's just look at merging. Okay, it might be igniting a little bit.
Just a wee bit.
Check that out. Shall we create some Saturn chaos?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh dear. They're just all going at one another.
Saturn has merged and become...
Into Super Saturn.
Super Saturn. He's like taking a hard right here.
Looks a little toasty.
8,000 degrees Celsius.
No, thank you.
I thought that the fireworks worked though. Oh, here we go.
They're beautiful.
And they're getting sucked into Saturn.
That's okay. It looks pretty still. Ooh, this game is so relaxing.
It's just not relaxing for any life forms living on those stellar objects.
That's true.
For example, Earth. Hello. Explode. Explosion Shoemaker Levy 9.
What?
I feel like that's a little bit overpowered.
Do it in slow motion from a little bit further away.
Oh, it's so dizzy. Slow motion?
Yeah.
Okay, explosion intensity. Let's do... Yeah, okay, Shoemaker Levy 9. Let's do 1 Hiroshima. Okay. I meant 1 Hiroshima. I might just be nuking the Earth right now.
Yeah, probably. Did the planet explode?
The planet just exploded. And I just destroyed Venus by accident. All that's left of Venus is that tiny rock. So we've got climate simulation, Planet 9 in our solar system, evidence for 9th planet, New Horizon Pluto encounter.
Ooh.
So there's New Horizons, which, as you know, studied Pluto.
Mm-hmm.
And there's all of Pluto's moons. And that was basically it. All of our pictures came from New Horizons doing that.
The real minute.
But we got so many amazing pictures from it. Did they update Pluto? Does it have the heart? Do you have the heart? Because we actually know what it looks like now.
Oh yeah, we do.
I don't know, I can't tell. Jupiter's fly around sun. Collapsing moon, Saturn with rings, Earth in 8 series. Earth at 100,000 degrees Celsius.
Good lord.
Earth exploded in real time. Physics. Historical.
I like historicals.
Triple eclipse of Jupiter. Oh, right. Its entire moon system.
Boop. Ooh.
So, Jupiter in the center here, and we have its nearest moons. Although Europa looks like it might not be agreeing too much with the simulation. But look at how far some of its moons are going.
That looks so cool.
You ready me? Is that how you pronounce it?
I think so.
Yeah, it has a very complex moon system. And we're always discovering new moons now. Fiction. Lands of Ice and Fire, Game of Thrones.
Ooh.
So is this what they theorize how the seasons work for the planet?
Yep.
There's Westeros. So they believe that Westeros it lives in a binary star system.
Yes, they actually did studies and stuff to try to figure out how they could get extended summers and winters the way they do.
So we have a binary star system here. And minus 80 degrees Celsius on the surface.
Well, that sounds unpleasant. How does anyone even live through the long winter?
It doesn't warm up at any point, so, well, this is probably meant to more be like a physics simulation of how the orbits might work versus providing us with an accurate temperature or season map.
That's fair.
So it looks a little trippy.
I feel like they just took Earth and smudged it, because they did. It is a smudgy Earth.
Smudgy Earth.
Close
cool.
enough.
That's cool. Yeah, I really love Universe Sandbox. It's so relaxing. And you know, how many places can you be orbited by the Great Pyramid of Giza?
Pretty much nowhere. Look at it go.
I'm going to, as we wrap up, I am going to make it one moon.
Ooh.
We are now being orbited by a moon mass pyramid.
That's no moon. It looks cool. It has a funky pattern on the bottom.
It's 10 hours old, and look at it just orbiting this world. Let's make it one Earth. Holy shit. I feel like we might be about to merge with it.
They are getting a little closer.
And one Jupiter.
Oh god.
I might have just absorbed it into the I might have just absorbed it. Mass one sun.
That's gonna throw off everything.
Oh, radius one sun.
Is it doing anything to the binary stars?
It doesn't have a lot of mass right now. It only has 268 Jupiters. Oh, radius one astronomical unit. Now it's going to do something to the
Oh, they're coming for it. Gonna explode. Ooh.
and it went black.
They made tiny supernovas.
Holy crap. Its surface temperature is 20,000 degrees Celsius and rising.
30,000.
We might have a glass pyramid now.
That'd be cool if it actually did transform it like that.
Let's see what it's actually made out of. Materials. It's 78% water.
Oh.
Let's make it more silicate. It's now pure silicate. But it's just textured. Let's just pretend it's glass.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty cool though. I wonder how does it compare to UI Scooty? Oops. It's huge.
Yeah.
That is enormous.
Are they gonna snuggle? Did it disappear?
UI Scooty is only 104 Jupiters now.
That's weird. Oh well.
Weird. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give us a like, a subscribe, and a comment, and thanks for watching.
Bye guys!